in this quick video, I want to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your Epson ET-2980 printer if you're trying to connect with your computer or a smartphone. So press the home button, press the left side arrow until you get to the page named Wi-Fi setup. Press OK, down arrow to select Wi-Fi direct, press OK, OK, OK. Press on the left side arrow, and now you have to select other OS devices. Press OK. Go down this page, and this is where you're going to find the password of your printer. Yours will be different than mine, so there's no point of copying this one. But once you get it, you simply need to take your phone and go into the Wi-Fi settings. Let me show you how it is done on my Android phone. So you're going to go in the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and from here it will scan for all the networks available, and one of them should be your Epson ET-2980. Whoops, I didn't click on the right one. Here we go, it's the first one, ET-2980. Tap on it and input the same password as the one on the display. Then press connect. Select always connect. And now open any files you wish to print on your phone. So I went in my photo gallery and I found a picture I want to print. On an Android, you need to tap on the top right corner where you see 3 dots. On iPhone, it's on the opposite side. Right over here, you're going to see a logo of a square with an arrow. Tap on it on your iPhone, go down the settings, and you should see print. On my Android, I'll tap here and select print. On the top, make sure that you select the right printer, ET-2980 series. It will give you a preview on the display, and if you tap the small arrow here, you'll be able to edit a few settings. At the end, press the print button. The print will come out in around 13 seconds. You may get this message on the display, not every time. In that case, press OK. No, because it's not glossy. And select print. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.